she's got a way of making beautiful things. You never know what nature will teach her, what inspiration will bring. DIY, DIY, Daisy, what are we making today? DIY, DIY, Daisy, I bet we'll make something great.
Hi, Gumboot Kids.
Hi, Daisy.
Come look at this. I'm so lucky. Come closer. Do you see what I see? A ladybug. What great inspiration for a nature craft. Would you like to make a ladybug rock, Gumboot Kids?
Yay!
Step 1. Head outside and find a smooth, round rock.
Ooh, look at this. Super!
There's so many great rocks here.
Ooh, good find.
I'm gonna fill my pockets.
Looking good. Step 2. Use some white acrylic paint and paint your entire rock.
Why do we paint it white first?
So that the colors look brighter when we paint them on.
That's it. You're doing great.
Good job.
You can take a break while you wait for your white paint to dry.
The white paint is dry.
Great. Okay, step 3. For the next layer, choose a bright color for its wings.
I'm gonna make a blue ladybug.
I'm gonna make a red one. These are fun to paint.
Good job. Be patient while the paint dries. Then add some polka dots and eyes. Have fun. There's no right or wrong way to make a nature craft.
I got my hand red too.
Okay, Gumboot Kids, let's see what you've made. Beautiful, Gumboot Kids. Such lovely, lucky ladybugs. Now you can carry a ladybug rock with you wherever you go. I'm gonna place mine beside my flowers. What do you think?
Cool!
Thank you for the lucky day, Gumboot Kids.
Goodbye, Daisy.